As I gaze upon a burger, my thoughts sometimes get entangled in an unexpected labyrinth of thinking. It's as if the burger itself becomes a gateway to a deeper and more intricate world. At first glance, it seems simple, a round bun split into two, with a perfectly fried patty nestled inside. But suddenly, questions arise. How exactly is that patty cooked? For how long? What kind of meat is used? Is it sourced sustainably? Then there are the added ingredients. Besides the meat, there are fresh vegetables like lettuce and tomato. But what if these vegetables have been grown using harmful pesticides? Are they truly healthy to consume? What are the environmental impacts? Next, the alluring array of sauces comes into play. Creamy mayonnaise, sweet ketchup, richly aromatic barbecue sauce. Yet, I begin to ponder, do these sauces contain unhealthy additives? Do they have excessive sugar or preservatives? What are the long-term consequences of consuming these sauces? And it doesn't stop there. The size of the burger becomes a consideration. Is it too large, leading to overindulgence? Or conversely, is it too small, failing to provide satisfaction? And of course, ethical concerns emerge. What's the origin of this burger? How were the animals that provided the meat treated? Were they given proper care, or did they experience unimaginable suffering? As time goes on, the burger that initially seemed simple and delectable becomes a sort of tool for contemplating food choices, environmental impacts, health, ethics, and much more. This overthinking takes me on a complex journey and teaches that every seemingly mundane daily choice can carry implications deeper than what meets the eye.